This is page 433, exercise 4, short answers. Complete the conversation with short answers. Use could for things that are possible and won't for things that are certain. Use be whenever possible. Do you think that the roads will be dangerous? It's snowing really hard. They could be. It's a big storm. So remember, if we have be here, we should use it in the short answer as well. Will the school stay open? I'm sure they won't. It's too dangerous for the school buses. So here it says it's too dangerous. That lets me know, okay, if it's too dangerous, the schools can't stay open. So we use the negative. Will it be very windy? Again, we have be, so we should use it in the short answer. It could be. The winds are strong already. They might even exceed 40 an hour. So bundle up. So that means this is a possibility. Will it get warmer today? It won't, unfortunately. The temperature in Centerville is already below 0. So use negative because she doesn't think it's going to get warm because it's already below 0. That means it's pretty cold already. Is it possible that the storm will be over tomorrow? We have B. So use it in the answer. It could be. It's moving pretty quickly across the region now. So if it's moving pretty quickly, that means by tomorrow maybe it's gonna be gone. So that's why I use affirmative. Do you think it will be warmer on Tuesday? It could be. There appears to be a warming trend. It stopped snowing already. We have B again. It says here, she's asking if it's going to be warmer. She said there's been a warming trend. So that means it's possible that the place will get warmer. Exercise 5, editing. So find the mistakes about El Nino. Correct 6 mistakes. Every few years, the ocean near Peru becomes warmer. This change is called El Nino. El Nino may cause big weather changes all over the world. So remember, we have to use may here because I have a verb. And we only use maybe at the beginning of the sentence. The west coast of North and South America might have very heavy rains. On the other side of the Pacific, New Guinea might be calm. Use base form of the verb. Very dry. Northern regions could have warmer, wetter winters, and southern areas may be calm. Remember, we don't use maybe in the beginning. I'm sorry, we don't use maybe in the middle of the sentence, so take that out. Much colder, these weather changes affect plants and animals. Some fish may not survive. We can't use this as a contraction. It has to be written out. In warmer waters, they may die or swim to colder places. In addition, dry conditions could cause. Use base form after the modal could. Crops to die. When that happens, food may get very expensive. El Nino does not happen regularly. It may happen every 2 years or it might not come for 7 years. Will El Nino get worse in the future? It could. Not it could be because the verb is get, not be. So if it asks will El Nino be worse, then I can use this answer. But because my verb is get, we just use it could. Pollution may or might increase the effects of El Nino, but no one is sure yet. So if it's no one is sure, we have to change this to may or might. We can't use will, because when we use will, that means you're sure about something.